What's going on, guys? I want to give you guys a little bit of a two-sided trade idea going into next week. So today's Friday. Really wouldn't recommend anyone try to chase any moves today. With just a couple of hours left in the market, I want you guys to all relax. If you're still trying to look and chase for a trade at this point in time, when we had some fantastic moves off the open, is realistically kind of stretching it. You're kind of trying to squeeze water out of a rock. But you know, Nvidia is definitely going to be one of the stocks that I'm going to be watching going into next week, and it's two-sided for one reason, right? Ever since we had the big gap up here on earnings, we hit those highs of 419, kind of slowly pulled back into the rising daily 5-day moving average, kind of bounced and have held for just a couple of days now. So reason why it's a two-sided trade, we're resting at support here, but if we do lose this support, we've got a lot of room down. If we look at the high that we printed today, 404, 405, it's also correlating going back to the 31st as well, right? So if we look at this area here, and if I was to draw a price level line here at today's highs, would be taking out price action from the past 3 days. That 405, let's call it, is going to have room into the upper Bollinger Band at around 412. Now, if we do break this price on Monday or Tuesday, this is definitely something I'm going to be looking to take calls on, and I'm going to be looking to take my profits into 409, 410, 411, 412, depending on how the market is moving. Obviously, we know that we've got that high of 419 price there is going to act as a top level of supply, but I like the trade to the downside as well. Doesn't mean that I think that the market's going down. I think bulls are in full control here, but what I am going to take advantage of is the downside potential. If we do start to lose 390, we've got room to come down to around 383. So I will take the confirmation of the 390 and be selling into the 383. Again, not going to hold in hope that it gets all the way down to 383. If I go in with my normal sizing and take 10 contracts and I get $1, $2, $3 down, as we're starting to trade down, I'll just quickly start selling out of those, get down to like 2 or 3 runners, kind of hold those and see where we close on a day. And if we close at the bottom of the range, I'll hold those and try to swing them overnight and hopefully sell on some type of flush or gap down open. Again, want you guys to be kind of mindful of these two levels, because it's going to present a fantastic opportunity for either going long or going short. But I wanted to put this out there for everyone now so you guys can be ready on these levels. Now, you may be thinking, well, it's just, you know, kind of thinking, if we break the highs of today, go long. If we lose the highs or lose the lows of today, go short. That's exactly what I'm saying. And it's not like that each and every single day. For example, if we look at yesterday, we kind of can't really say, well, you know, we're going to wait for the 383 potential when we closed at 400. We're not going to really expect to wait 13, 14 points before we start shorting. But if we look at where we're at today, a little bit of a little bit of a smaller candle here, lower volume today, we are pulling back and we're closing at the bottom of the range, which is right at support. So if we start to lose this support, the 390 has a lot of potential down. 357 obviously would be the big wash out potential here for a multiple, you know, day or week swing. And again, the bulls can actually pull, or the bears can pull this to 360, 370, and the bulls would still be in full control. It doesn't mean that we're coming all the way back down to 200s. All it means is we're looking for a little bit of an opportunity here to make some cash flow. And that's all we're doing as day traders and scalpers. We're just trying to make that cash flow, taking it on a day-by-day basis here. Again, so 405 to the long side, looking for a 412 potential or a 390 flush to the downside. And we're looking for that 385 potential. Again, hope this video helps. If you guys want to trade with me each and every single day long, you want to get access to my strategies, my watch list, and my intraday kind of trading, definitely go over to evolutiontraders.com. You guys can join the Discord there, become a lifetime member. You're going to get access to one-on-one mentorship and coaching, along with my 2 video courses, along with open access to the chat Discord that's going to unlock all of the lock channels in there as well. I'll see you guys all in the next video.